Here we have Anker Soundcore Motion Plus. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus is a small and lightweight speaker that's easily portable. It's well suited for outdoor use thanks to its over 15-hour battery life and IPX7 rating for water resistance, although we don't currently test for this. Although it can get fairly loud, there are some compression artifacts present at max volume. Like many small speakers, it struggles to produce low bass, although its mid-range is well balanced, so vocals and lead instruments sound clear and present. There's also a graphic EQ in its companion app that lets you customize its sound profile. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus has decent build quality. It feels solid, and there's a metal grille covering the two drivers. Most of the speaker's exterior is made of silicone, and the buttons on top are texturized, making them easy to find by touch. It also has an IPX7 rating for water resistance, though we don't currently test for this. Though it lacks a rating for impact resistance, the manual suggests you should be careful not to drop it. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus is reasonable for music. It has a well-balanced mid-range, so vocals and lead instruments are reproduced clearly. However, like many small speakers, it lacks some low bass, so you may not feel the deep thump and rumble of bass-heavy genres like EDM. Also, its treble range is a bit underemphasized, so higher frequencies may sound a bit dark. Fortunately, its companion app comes with a graphic EQ that lets you customize the sound to your liking. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus is passable for watching videos or movies. Its latency with iOS and Android devices is quite low, although some apps compensate differently for this. It can also get quite loud, although there are some compression artifacts present at max volume. Its soundstage is quite narrow, so it may not feel very immersive when watching movies. Also, it lacks low bass, so you may not feel the deep thump in action-packed scenes. Fortunately, it can clearly reproduce vocals thanks to its well-balanced mid-range. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus is good for podcasts. It has a well-balanced mid-range, so it can clearly reproduce vocals. However, sibilants like S and T sounds may sound a bit veiled due to the speaker's underemphasized treble range. It can also get quite loud, and its small, lightweight design makes it easy to bring with you on the go. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus is good for outdoor use. It has an IPX7 rating for water resistance, although we don't test for this currently. It's remarkably portable and it has an amazing battery life, lasting over 15 hours on a single charge. It can also get quite loud, which makes it well suited to playing music for lots of people. However, there are some compression artifacts present at max volume, and it lacks some low bass. The Anker Soundcore Motion Plus is outstandingly portable. It's small and lightweight, so you can easily carry it in one hand. Also, it's battery-powered, so you can bring it out and about without having to find an outlet. So, that's all about the video. I hope that you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. See you guys next time.